Hi everyone. Just learned this dance and we're going to learn it together because I don't know it that well yet. I tried to do it to music and I flubbed up so many times. I said, well, I'm just going to teach him. This will be your tutorial video here. Though the music is really cute, I'll see if I can't do maybe one round at the end. Okay. This is called Where Oh Where to the music. Where Did My Baby Go by Kenny Wayne. This is by Thompson, Szymanski. This was done in February of this year. 32 count, 4 waltz, improver level dance. Okay. I'm going to just let you hear the music really quick because I can't do it to music very well. And there's a demo of her doing it, so. Oh, for crying out loud.
This girl, that's beautiful.
That's
not something you hear every day. The new Lena Lift has
such
zero
bad internet out here. Come on, just play the doggone thing. Nope. What's up with that? Like I said, we're going to be learning this together. Okay, here we go. First section of the dance. Weights on your left. You're going to begin with your right. You're going to step it to the side. Drag that left foot and step it behind it for 1, 2. 1, 2. Now a little ball step, and you're going to cross and step to the side. Ball, cross, side. A left sailor step, angling to 10-30. 5 and 6, and a kickball change. Now way she lists it here, when you do your kickball change, when you bring that right foot back, you're going to have to like step it back. It's almost like a kick back rock recover. Kickball change. Okay, let's do that again. Big step with the right foot on count 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, sailor, 10-30, 5 and 6, kickball change, 7 and 8. We'll do that again. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. One more time. 1, 2 and 3. 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Next section, you're going to cross side, and when you do your cross side, you're going to straighten up. Cross side. Now you're going to do a quarter turn right sailor step for 3 and 4. 3 and 4. And here you're just going to do a 3/4 turn walk back to 12 o'clock. 4 steps. 4 walks, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. And she has it listed that you could do like volta steps, which are kind of, they're like ball steps. They're like step blocks. Okay, but we're just going to do it that way. So let's do that part again. We did a kickball change. Okay, that's kind of a rock back. Kickball change. Now the next section. Cross, side, turning right sailor step. Walk left, right, left, right. Now the counts. So let's do that 7, 8. The kickball change. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Should have been over here doing that. Let's put that together. First and second sections. Weights on your left, begin with the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the next section, you're going to do a left side rock recover and a right side rock recover. So there's a little ball step in between. Step your left to the left, recover, bring that left foot back in so you can do the right side rock recover. Right, recover left. Okay, let's just do that again. We're like this, we just got done doing our little walks, we have weight on our right foot. So the left rock recover first and then the right rock recover. 1, 2, and 3, 4. You're going to kick and kick, kind of crossing your legs over, right foot first. 5 and 6 and quarter turn pivot for 7, 8. 7, 8. That was to the left, and weight's on your left when you're done with that. Let's do that little section again. We walked around, leading with the left, left, right, left, right. That was 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. That again, we walked, we have weight in our left, right, weight in our right. You can do a left rock recover. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Last section. I'm going to cross your right foot over and hold. 1, hold 2. A quick little ball step with the left and then go cross behind and hold. And 3, hold 4. Now another little ball step and you're going to do a jazz box cross, a right jazz box cross. So you want to put weight on that left foot, bring it over here and then start your jazz box cross. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end of the dance. I'm going to show you that last section here so you can kind of see how that looks. So we did our quarter turn pivot. So let's say we were here, we did a quarter turn pivot on the last section. 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That again. We did a quarter turn pivot. 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the dance. So, let's do a few little waltz here. From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that completes that round. Let's do it again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's do that again. I'm learning too many dances at once. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. I just learned this, so I don't even think I can do one round and dance, but we'll give it a try. Here we go. I'll try. Love the music. But practice and give it your best shot. Thanks for watching. See you on the dance floor. Bye.